Chapter 1. Components of Food. Introduction. Components of food are the essential substances present in various food items that provide the body with nutrients and energy for growth, development, and maintenance of bodily functions. What do different food items contain? Nutrients. Nutrients are substances that are essential for the growth, development, and maintenance of human body. They provide energy, support bodily functions, and contribute to overall health. There are several types of nutrients, each serving specific roles in the body. Major categories of nutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals. Test for carbohydrates. Take a small amount of the food sample and place it on a white tile or plate. Add a few drops of iodine solution, iodine potassium iodide, to the sample. Observe any color change in the sample. A blue-black color indicates the presence of starch. Test for proteins. Grind or mash a small quantity of the food item and put some of this in a clean test tube. Add 10 drops of water to it and shake the test tube. Add 2 drops of copper sulfate solution and 10 drops of caustic soda solution. Shake well and let the test tube stand for a few minutes. Violet color indicates presence of proteins. Test for fats. Take a small quantity of a food item. Wrap it in a piece of paper and crush it. Take care that the paper does not tear. Straighten the paper and observe it carefully. Hold the paper against light. An oily patch on paper shows that the food item contains fats. What do various nutrients do for our body? Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are a primary source of energy for the body. They are found in foods such as grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes. Types of carbohydrates. 1. Sugars, fruits, honey, maple syrup. 2. Starches, grains, rice, wheat, oats, potatoes. Legumes, beans, lentils. 3. Dietary fiber, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds. Proteins. Proteins are crucial for growth, repair, and maintenance of body tissues. They are composed of amino acids and can be found in sources such as meat, poultry, fish, dairy products, legumes, and nuts. Types of proteins. 1. Animal sources, meat, fish, eggs, dairy products, milk, cheese, yogurt. 2. Plant sources, legumes, beans, lentils, chickpeas, tofu, tempeh, quinoa, nuts, seeds. Fats. Fats are a concentrated source of energy and provide essential fatty acids that the body cannot produce on its own. They also help absorb certain vitamins and support various bodily functions. Common sources of fats include oils, butter, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish. Types of fats. 1. Healthy fats, avocado, olive oil, nuts, almond, walnuts. Seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds. Fatty fish, salmon, sardines. 2. Saturated fats, butter, cheese, fatty cuts of meat, coconut oil. 3. Trans fats, unhealthy fats. Fried foods, packaged snacks, commercially baked goods. Vitamins. Vitamins are organic compounds that play vital roles in metabolism, growth, and overall health. They are required in small amount and are categorized into 2 groups. Fat-soluble vitamins A, D, A, and K. Water-soluble vitamins, B-complex vitamins, and C. They are found in a wide range of foods, including fruits, vegetables, grains, and animal products. Types of vitamins. 1. Vitamin A, sweet potatoes, spinach, broccoli, eggs. 2. Vitamin D, fatty fish, fortified dairy products, sunlight exposure. 3. Vitamin E, almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, avocado, vegetable oils. 4. Vitamin K, leafy green vegetables, kale, spinach, cabbage, broccoli, Brussels sprouts. 5. B-complex vitamin, whole grains, legumes, meat, eggs, dairy products. 6. Vitamin C, citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, strawberries, bell peppers, kiwi, broccoli. Minerals. Minerals are inorganic substances that are essential for various bodily functions. They include electrolytes, sodium, potassium, and calcium. Trace minerals, zinc, iron, and iodine. Good sources of minerals include fruits, vegetables, dairy products, meats, and whole grains. Types of minerals. 1. Calcium, dairy products, leafy green vegetables, fortified plant-based milk. 2. Iron, red meat, spinach, legumes, fortified cereals. 3. Zinc, oysters, red meat, poultry, beans, nuts, whole grains. 4. Potassium, bananas, potatoes, avocados, spinach, beans. 5. Sodium, table salt, processed foods, chips, canned soups, condiments. Water. While not a nutrient in the strict sense, water is crucial for survival and is involved in almost every bodily function. It helps transport nutrients, regulate body temperature, lubricate joints, and eliminate waste products. Water can be obtained from various sources, including drinking water, beverages, and foods with high water content. Types of water. 1. Drinking water. 2. Fruits and vegetables with high water content. Watermelon, cucumber, strawberries, lettuce. Roughage, or dietary fiber, is the fibrous portion of food derived from plants that remains undigested as it passes through the digestive system. It provides bulk, promotes regular bowel movements, and offers several health benefits, including improved digestion and weight management. Examples: whole grains, fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts and seeds, bran. Examples of roughage. 1. Whole grains, wheat bread, brown rice, oats, quinoa, barley. 2. Fruits, apples, berries, raspberries, blackberries, pears, oranges, bananas. 3. Vegetables, leafy green, spinach, kale, lettuce, cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, carrots, beets, sweet potatoes, bell peppers. 4. Legumes, beans, lentils, chickpeas. 5. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, sunflower seeds. 6. Bran cereal, bran muffins, bran flakes. Balanced diet. A balanced diet refers to a way of eating that provides all necessary nutrients, vitamins, and minerals required for optimal health and well-being. It involves consuming a variety of foods from different food groups in appropriate portions food to meet the body's nutritional needs. It typically includes the following components: fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, dairy or dairy alternatives, hydration, limits added sugars and processed foods. Retaining the nutritional value of food. Store perishable foods, such as fruits, vegetables, and dairy products, in the refrigerator at appropriate temperatures. Keep frozen foods in a freezer maintained at or below 0-18. Consume fresh produce and other perishable value. Rotate food items to use the oldest ones first. Rinse fruits and vegetables under running water rather than soaking them to reduce nutrient loss. Cook vegetables in minimal water or use steaming methods to retain water-soluble vitamins. Save and use cooking liquids, such as broth or water from boiling vegetables, to retain water-soluble nutrients. Choose cooking methods like steaming, roasting, and grilling, which require minimal water and reduce nutrient loss compared to boiling. Avoid overcooking or prolonged heating, as it can cause nutrient degradation. Whenever possible, include edible skins, peels, and stems, as they often contain valuable nutrients. Use vegetable and fruit trimmings to make stocks, soups, or smoothies, maximizing nutrient utilization. Prioritize whole foods over highly processed alternatives, as they generally retain more nutrients. Prepare meals in smaller quantities to ensure freshness and minimize nutrient loss during reheating. Consume freshly prepared food promptly to maximize nutrient intake. Refrigerate or freeze leftover food promptly to preserve its nutritional value. Store light-sensitive foods, such as oils and certain vitamins, in opaque containers to prevent degradation. Eating a diverse range of foods ensures a broad spectrum of nutrients. Fresh, locally sourced produce is often harvested at peak ripeness, maximizing its nutritional content. Deficiency diseases. Deficiency refers to a state or condition in which the body lacks an essential nutrient or a specific substance required for optimal functioning. It occurs when there is an inadequate intake, absorption, or utilization of the nutrient in the body. Deficiency diseases, also known as nutritional deficiencies, are health conditions that arise as a result of prolonged or severe deficiency of specific nutrients in the diet. These diseases occur when the body does not receive enough essential vitamins, minerals, proteins, or other important substances necessary for proper physiological functioning. Deficiency diseases can manifest with a variety of symptoms and can affect different body systems, impairing overall health and well-being. Diseases caused by deficiency of vitamins. Vitamin C. Symptoms: weakness, fatigue, gum disease, delayed wound healing, joint pain, and swollen gums. Disease: scurvy. Vitamin D. Symptoms: bone deformities, weakened bones, poor growth in children, bone pain, muscle weakness, and increased risk of fractures. Disease: rickets in children and osteomalacia in adults. Vitamin B1 2. Symptoms: fatigue, weakness, pale skin, shortness of breath, tingling or numbness in hands and feet, memory problems, and difficulty concentrating. Disease: pernicious anemia. Vitamin A. Symptoms: poor vision in dim light, dry eyes, corneal ulcers, and increased susceptibility to infections. Disease: night blindness, and in severe cases, xerophthalmia, dryness of the eyes, and blindness. Diseases caused by deficiency of minerals. Iron deficiency. Symptoms: fatigue, weakness, pale skin, shortness of breath, dizziness, brittle nails, and impaired cognitive function. Disease: iron deficiency anemia. Iodine deficiency. Symptoms: goiter, enlarged thyroid gland, hypothyroidism, impaired cognitive function, developmental abnormalities in children, and infertility. Disease: iodine deficiency disorders (ID). Calcium deficiency. Symptoms: brittle bones, increased risk of fractures, loss of bone density, and tooth decay. Disease: osteoporosis, not solely caused by calcium deficiency, but it can contribute. Exercises. Question 1. Name the major nutrients in our food. Answer. The major nutrients in our food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals. In addition, food also contains dietary fibers and water. Question 2. Name the following: the nutrients which mainly give energy to our body. Answer. Carbohydrates and fats. The nutrients that are needed for the growth and maintenance of our body. Answer. Proteins and minerals. A vitamin required for maintaining good eyesight. Answer. Vitamin A, a mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy. Answer. Calcium. Question 3. Name the 2 foods each rich in starch. Answer. Butter, groundnut. Starch. Answer. Rice, potato. Dietary fiber. Answer. Whole grains, fresh fruits. Protein. Answer. Pulses, fish. Question 4. Tick right, check mark the statements that are correct. By eating rice alone, we can fulfill nutritional requirement of our body. Deficiency disease can be prevented by eating a variety of food items. Check mark. Balanced diet for the body should contain a variety of food items. Check mark. Meat alone is not sufficient to provide all nutrients to the body. Check mark. Question 5. Fill in the blanks. Ricket is caused by deficiency of vitamin D. Deficiency of vitamin B1 causes a disease known as beriberi. Deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease known as scurvy. Night blindness is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A in our food.